buy 10 bonuses, as usual, on Money Train 4. But we're going to buy persistent features, and we're going to see exactly what happens. At the very end, we're going to do a big buy, whether we're in profit or not, and we're going to see what happens. So let's just get straight on with it. We're going to do $100 buys. We're going to do 10 of them and see what happens. We've got persistent payer, actually. That's pretty decent. Oh, God. Don't die straight off the bat like that. Oh, my days. That's not a good start, is it? That is not a good start. What was the starting balance? 1,970 was the starting balance. So someone's going to have to remember that, because I will not. That's only a ×1, though. Is it going fast or something? No, come on. That's 2 dead bonuses. 440 again? Are you kidding me? I want a shapeshifter or an arms dealer. That's what I want. Those are the ones that you want. They're the ones that end up paying like super good. But a persistent collector ×1 is like so bad. Died again. Are you... What is happening right now? That was the 3rd bonus. Let's get the 4th. Persistent payer again. Oh my days. We are getting absolutely demolished today on this. Absolutely demolished. That's a ×6. Don't die. Don't die. Please don't die. We need a 500x to make money back. That's what we need. We need a 500x to make money back. That's the, I mean, that's better than the last ones. 4, right. We're going number 5. Dear God. A persistent pair again. Well, at least the persistent pair is right next to those 2 bonus symbols. Hopefully it's not a crap persistent pair though. Oh, it is. Oh, oh no. Is it gonna die again? Money Train 4 is such a volatile game. I might change this video to bang or bust just on this one blimmin' slot. Right, come on. So that one there is gonna pay everything, but... what is happening? Sniper. It's about time. It's about time we got a good persistent. Oh, please. No, please. Here's the thing. Please don't be an X1 sniper. Oh, no. Oh, I should double up anyways, actually. What the hell? Wow! Don't die. Wait, what's that? $300, $400? Please be 5. Please be 5. Yes! He bought 6? 7? Yes! Holy crap! That was from one freaking sniper in 3 things? Give me another one of them. Oh, god damn it. Oh my days. Come on. What bonus is that? This is bonus number 7. We got another pair. Is the pair going to affect the other pair? Yes, it is. So the pair's now times 3. Nice. Oh, wait. Is that another? Oh, I've got 2 persistent pairs. Don't you dare die. Well, I know it's not profit. Dear God. I've never had 2 persistent pairs next to each other before. Bonus buy number 8. We're in profit right now by $200. We might actually be in profit by the end of this. Come on. I thought that was a persistent shapeshifter there. I thought it was going to hit. Oh, no. The bad luck is back again. Oh, we got another sniper. Please. Please, 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 please be good. Please be a good sniper. What the hell? No! Didn't even... Oh, no. Right. Last bonus, last bonus, last bonus, last bonus. Before we progress, I'd like to share our BC game offers. Sign up using code Jonesy and join our Discord to claim these exclusive offers and enjoy a 180% deposit bonus stretching all the way to 360%. Join Discord. Get your subs in here. It's going to be sick. I'm thinking of doing something really stupid here. I'm thinking of doing a $500. No, I'll do a 200. I'll see what happens with the 200. If it's good, then maybe. But if it's not good, then yeah, this is the last bonus as well. But we're gonna be buying another one afterwards. I think we're gonna double up, depending on what happens here. I haven't even had a shapeshifter this time around. Don't do this. Oh my god, we've got a reset and a +1. Come on. We only need a 250x on this one to break even. We're gonna do it. That's it as well. We're in profit. That was a $200, right? Oh, we're non-profit. My maths are so broken. Oh, we need a 500x to break. All right, I'm doing something stupid. Someone's telling me to do 400. Someone's telling me to do $400. We're 1,500. Oh my god. Come on. It started off really bad. Actually, really bad. We need something to start getting these numbers up. No, come on. No, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We need a persistent pair in here or something to just start rattling these up. Oh my god, there's a persistent pair collector up there. Don't die on me. You did, didn't you? You little... 120 bucks back from that? Are you nuts? Last bonus buy. This is the last one. Why either do good or do bad. I don't know. Why either do good or do bad. It's potential 150,000 eggs this game. Potential 150,000 eggs. What's 150,000 eggs times 40 pence? Or 40 cents even. Come on, we need something in here to start, like... Oh, it's not persistent. Come on, give us a shapeshifter. Or an arms dealer. I'll be happy with either one of those. Shapeshifter or arms dealer, come on. $40.80. Are you nuts? I know. But listen, I've got good luck now. Oh dear God, what have I done? It's a persistent pair. This is what I've been waiting for. Is this what I have been waiting for? No. No, it is not. No, it is not. I'm taking this down to $1,000 balance. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking it down to $1,000 balance. We're going again. Stop giving me the crap things. I want shapeshifters and arms dealers. That's what I'll be wanting. If we get one of them, whoop, away we go. We need something in here which is going to multiply the pair. That would make it absolutely insane. Is that persistent? Now we're talking! Don't die, please. Please, 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 please. I think we actually hit a bit. Yeah, we did. We hit a little bit profit there. Oh my god. And we got a sniper. Please, please, Money Train 4 gods. Please. Please give me an amazing sniper rifle. Please just snipe the bollocks out of everything. Don't die. Oh god, this is really good. This is actually insanely good. Oh, we're in profit. $436. It's about time you give me back something. I really need to end this video, but I'm getting a big win. God damn it. I thought it was persistent. Oh my god. Come on. Don't die. I don't even think we hit profit. I think we're just short. God damn it! Another persistent pair. I don't want that. I want a sniper again. That's what I want. I want a sniper and a persistent pair collector. That would be nuts. We've only got persistent pair for this one. Are you mental? I'm just spinning through this because it's just gonna die anyways. Yeah. $14. Right, okay. We're going again. Oh my days. I didn't, right, that's it. This is the last bonus. This is the last bonus on Money Train 4. This game absolutely despises my guts today. I'm spinning it. I'm double clicking like crazy. What happened? Yeah, I was clicking too quick. But we got a bit of profit back. Oh my days. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna wait to go juice my balance on Rib City. That's it. I'm not playing this game ever again.